27, 2018. Got a few moves today. See how we do. I'm going to take a short here on XOM at market. The daily is kind of strong. It had earnings today, and I think it missed by 1 cent. Not 100% sure, but I think it missed. And it gapped down, had a pullback from the gap down, and see this topping tail right here. Looks good. I like this one back down to at least 77.50. I'm going to go long market Microsoft right here. The daily is a little choppy, but it's choppy in this zone from 90 to 95 area. So it had good earnings today, so it catapulted up. Market opens, has a sell-off, sells off down below the 9. So I'm thinking buyers are going to come in down here and bring it up to at least, I like to get at least 96.25 if possible. We'll see. I'm going to take a short on X. Just took a short on X. I like the setup here. Daily looks good today and yesterday. See this head and shoulders right here? Kind of lopsided. So that tells me there's a good chance this thing's going to go down. The intraday looks good too. You know, it looks like it's consolidating down here for the next leg down. But I might have to go through some pain here. Let's take a look at X. It's coming our way. I'm going to take that right here at 33.89 for about 20 cents. I've been in it too long and I'm in the money now, so market looks like it might be turning around. FLEX, I'm going to take a short right here at market if it gives it to me. And we're in. We're in at 14.12. Daily looks good for a short. It's been downtrending. Every rally has been a sellable rally on the daily. Today it gapped down, squeezed up, good size squeeze all the way back to 15. Couldn't sustain. Now it's been riding this channel here. So if it goes back down this way, we can see this at least. I'd like to see at least 30-40 cents on this one. Let's take a look at Microsoft. We were out of the money on this one, and now it's coming back to us. Yeah, we got into it down here, and it shot up here. I'm thinking about coming out of this one. I'm going to come out right here. It's just because the market's a little shaky, so I was losing quite a bit on this one, but I held on, and now it's probably going to go up, but that's okay. You know, sometimes you got to make quick decisions. Sometimes the right decisions turn out to be the wrong decisions. So yeah, I don't like this. When I got into it, I thought it was a low right about here. I came in right here, and it started downtrending more, so I think it's a safer bet to get out here, maybe even a short it, honestly. You know, look at that downtrend. It's a nice downtrend. Pull back and short it here, but I'm not going to. Actually, I am. I'm going to short Microsoft right here at market for 95.43. I like it. I like this reversal here. I should have got in it earlier. I should have just reversed the position when I got out of it, but that's okay. I'd like to see this at least down to 95. I don't see why not. Here it comes. I'm going to take this right here for about 15 cents. Should have waited a little bit longer, but it's okay. I'll play it later again. I'm going to short Microsoft one more time up here at 95.42. Like the way the market is weak. Gonna take a short on SNE right here at market if it gives it to us. No shorts available. And we're in. Oh, lousy fill. That's why I hate putting market orders on the entry, because that'll happen. You know, I wanted it for like 88. I got 75, 45, 75. Daily looks good. It broke all the supports. I was looking at it earlier, like right around here, but I thought it would squeeze a little bit more, and it did. And now it's coming back, so I should have got a little bit more up here. But looks good. Looks good down to 45.50, a little bit below there. But I'll take it around the 50. Take 30 cents if I can. msft. Let's take a look at it up close. We're in at 41 or so, 95.42. I'd like to see this break 95 and come out of it down below 95. It's coming our way. Here it comes. I'm going to take it right here at 95.10 for about 30 cents or so. XON. Let's take a look at this up close. It's coming our way. I like to take it probably around the 65 area, 55, 65, but it has dropped a little bit here already. So XOM, I'm going to take it right here at 79, 77, 79. It's fallen quite a bit, and I was actually losing on it, so took about I don't know, 15, 16 cents or so. I'm going to take one more short here on XOM at 95, 77.95. I took it short earlier, took some off of it, and it rallied from the bottom here a little bit, and it's right above the 9. I think it's going to turn around and go back down. Market's going down. FLEX. I've been in this one for a while, and I'm going to come out of it right here at a market for a gain about, I don't know, 4 cents or so. It's just really slow, and I'd rather just get out of it with a win. XOM. I just got out of XOM at 77.89. I waited for it to come down here. I wanted it to break this area here. It never did. So I got out of it at 89 here, right before this this squeeze here for possibly a rally, small rally, for a gain of about 5 cents or so. Now SNE, I'm still in. This one's giving me a headache. Should have got out of it a while ago. Didn't. Every time it rallied, it got sold off, and it got me thinking it's gonna fall, and then it squeezes right back up again, and then it falls, and then right there, and it had that nice fall there. I'm like, oh, okay, it's coming back to me, and then look at that, boom, shot right back up. You know, so if someone's buying this thing, my stop should be up here, but I'm actually thinking about coming out right here, and yeah, I'm gonna come out right here at market for about 80-cent loss. 80-cent loss on this one. You know, my stop was going to be up here, but look at the chart. Every dip's being bought. Let me bring that a little bit closer. Every dip is being bought. You know, had that rally, dip, buy, dip, buy. So this dip's going to get bought up. And if it doesn't, well, lesson learned. You know, we always stay in our losing trades. Most traders, not all traders, but most traders stay in their losing trades way longer than they should. I know I do. And, you know, it's a working process. You just try to break out of those bad habits. But sometimes they pay out pretty well. And other times they wipe you out. I'm going to take one more short here on Microsoft. I know it's up for the day here, but the market's looking a little weak, and I like this red candle here. So I'm going to hit market right here. Microsoft. Just got in for about 99.30 short. Every time it hits this area, it sells off. Early this morning, it hit this area, sold off. Came back up, hit this area, sold a bit. Now it came back, hit this area again, sold off. If the market turns down, should take this down. msft, looking good. Winning this one a few times today. If the market goes down, which it looks like it might, it'll take this one down quite a bit. msft, let's take a look at it here. Got about 25 cents on it. msft, I'm going to take this one right here at market for about 35 cents or so. I just wanted it to break 95, and it did. So that's going to be my last trade. Up 67. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly winners. One big loser on SNE. Lost about 80 cents on that one, which took away most of my profits. Stayed too long on it. And best winner on Microsoft, msft. And that's it. Thanks for watching.